Selamat pagi kicau mania dimanapun berada, khususnya pecinta burung kenari, sempatkanlah untuk menjemur burungnya walaupun sebentar saja, sambil memberinya makan, minum, dan juga membersihkan kotorannya. Kalau bisa kotorannya dibersihkan setiap hari, kalau burungnya banyak, kalau burungnya sedikit bisa seminggu sekali, tergantung kondisi saja.
Good morning bird lovers everywhere, especially canary lovers. Take the time to sun your bird even if it's just for a short time, while giving it food, water, and also cleaning its droppings. If possible, the droppings should be cleaned every day. If you have a lot of birds, if you have a few, you can do it once a week, depending on the condition.